I'm, by the grace of God, the minority leader of the House of Representatives, and of course, of PDP extraction. I am proud to be a member of PDP. I have been in PDP and I will remain in PDP. Let me say that those who are calling for the dissolution of NWC, that is geared towards rescuing, rebuilding our nation, haven't, in all the exercises, done excellently well. I think they do not mean well to PDP. They do not mean well to Nigeria. What they should be thinking about is how to join hands together, unite this party, unite Nigerians that are looking forward to PDP to rescue and rebuild them, and of course, come back to power come 2023. So I join my colleague in saying that we have implicit confidence in the leadership of our national party, PDP, led by a very, very youthful national chairman, Senator Iyochayu, and his colleagues. We are proud of them, and we are with them.
For updates.